we are gearing up for another adventure on Glass Beach with my new UV torch, and we will be taking the fat bike, and we will be looking for UV glass. Okay, just gotta turn off the light over here. Alright, there's that glass we were looking at. Now let's light her up. And it looks dramatic, but they are that bright. It's there is the light off center, and we're not even pitch black at the moment, but you can definitely tell which ones are the uranium glass, and that's what we'll be looking for. So this glass is really special, and if you find any on the beach, it's guaranteed to be old, at least prior to 1940, and they made it all the way to the early 1800s. They use it for decorative stuff, and it's just supremely cool, so wish me luck. We're going to be looking for more. There's the old bike. Yeah. Mongoose. It's a goose. The goose is loose. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Okay. So, you see the mountains in the way back. And then in the middle there you see the island with the little structure on it. And then that tiny little peninsula that you see out there, that's where we're headed. And that's close to where one of the old dumps used to be. Good deal of wind today, but it's remarkably clear. You can see out to the San Juan, Whippy's bright, and the Mount Baker's spectacular right now. So tidal window will be a little bit shorter today. I'm going to just regular glass up until the sun goes down, and then I'll bust out the floodlight and look for that special antique radioactive uranium glass that I've grown a healthy obsession with. Or unhealthy? I don't know. It's not that radioactive. No more than a truckload of bananas. Nice stretch of beach. It's it's just pleasant out. I'm almost to my destination. And cool little erratic. A glacially deposited large rock. I love this bluff up here to the left. It's plenty of places where birds have made their homes. Lots of bald eagles out. There's about 5. Okay, we're here. It's beautiful out. Once again, the entire beach is mine and mine alone. It's just a waiting game till it gets dark, and that's when the real fun begins. Okay, so it's not quite dark yet, but I did manage to find one. Check that out. Huzzah! Alright, here we are. It's darker than it looks on camera. Oh, there. We got another one. Now, I want to say these are definitely some of the rarest some of the rarest glass on the beach because of the limited time period in which they manufactured it, and it wasn't, it's definitely not as prominent as all the other pieces of glass. I would say for every 2,000 or so I walk over regular pieces of glass, like that guy right there, there's maybe one little fragment of uranium glass. So the tide's coming in, and right now I'm scanning just by the tide right here, and then I'll turn around at my favorite stump and then scan on the way back, and we'll go from there. Oh, found another one, and another one. Oh, that's a nice piece. Biggest piece of the day. Right there. This is really exciting. This is totally new. This right here, this piece is orange. Check that out. That's ultraviolet but orange, not the normal green. That's exciting. You ready to see my haul? Woo! That's one handful. There's another. Yeah, that one's not. There's regular glass in there too. But man, that orange one is so pretty. Okay. Alright, this next section's a bit of hike-a-bike. But I'm really happy with what I found today. Man, when it's dark out, the beach is a different beast. I sing to myself sometimes to calm the old nerves, because you never know when a beach coyote's gonna come out and be like, oh, I need a Filipino snack. It must have been moon glow, cruising on my back with some ultraviolet light. Woo. Just your, regular old rib cage on the beach. Fuck, that looks fresh. Cutting it close with my tidal window. Woo! Uh-oh, might get a little soggy. Sometimes this stretch of beach feels really short, but right now it kind of feels really Twilight Zone-y. I've been on this stretch of beach for a while now. Just keeps on going, and I keep riding this loop. I made it. I see the boat launch. This last part's a little Herondo. Uh-oh. Oh man, not excited about the prospect of replacing my bottom bracket. I replaced this one too after that beautiful Chilcotins trip. Thank you, Craig and Nina. That was experience of a lifetime. Oh gosh, never been so happy to see this beach. But yeah, I replaced that and could not have put more than maybe 1,500 miles on it since then. But they've been 1,500 salty miles, so gosh, this wind is nuts. Yes. Salvation. Update at home. Okay. Doesn't look like much, right? Right there. Wait, let me get the light. Okay. But check this out.
Damn.
Isn't that wild?
That is crazy, dude.
Yeah, that one orange one, that's the only orange one I've ever seen.
Radioactive.
Yeah, man.
Tiny bit. That's awesome, dude.
Okay, gonna try a new spot of beach today. The gravel beds are looking really nice for some UV glass hunting. I mean, I'm not even trying, and there's regular glass, and I've got my trusty lamp with me right here, so we're gonna have some fun. Actually, you know what? Let's start scanning now. I'll keep the camera on till... Oh! Found my first guy. Well, it's been a good haul so far. I found my very second piece of orange, so very happy with that find there. Of all the glass I've found, that's UV glass. I probably have 300 pieces now. I've only found 2 that are orange, so I don't know if those were tail lights or what, but they're my favorite piece that I found. So, still more searching to do. Okay, it's pretty dark now. Now the real hunting begins. Normally, the beach is not as fruitful as it is right now. I'm lucky because the tide has made just this wonderful gravel bar, and I think it's easier to find pieces of UV glass like this because, well, sorry, I gotta put this in my pocket. The stuff is, you know, lighter than the surrounding rocks, so I think a lot of it comes to the top. During the daytime, it's a harder piece of glass to find because it's a little bit dull. Now you can go out to your local beaches and look for some, but I'm kind of at a special place that I'm cruising an area where historically this was a dump where people would just dump their trash off the bluff, and because of that, I think there's a lot. I have no clue what this thing is, but it's glowy and orange. Wow. Yeah, that purple rock or ceramic is tripping me out. It's huge and it's definitely really glowy. Why are you glowing? Weird purple orange rock. This is bizarre. Okay, so that's the haul so far. Doing pretty good. There is a lot that is hard to get across on camera. Oh, manual focus here. But, well, I'll turn the light off because I don't want anyone to know I'm out here. But,
I see the San Juans just faintly glowing a little bit. I see the glows of Skagit and Snohomish County. Squim out that way, the outline of Protection Island. When I look up, it's dark enough over here to where I can see the Milky Way. The constellations are bright. The Little Dipper's right in my face right now. I can see Mars. And it's a very surreal environment, this stretch of beach. I'm just surrounded by a bluff and then the ocean and the waves. The smell of salt water. It's a very peaceful... Oh, where did I put my UV light? It's a very peaceful endeavor doing this stuff. Bull kelp lights up. Man, you hit one of those the wrong way on your bike and woo! Hold on! Yeehaw! Oh wow, check out this piece. Wow, look at that. That is huge. Psych your mind, it's just a tennis ball. Just a tennis ball. It did get me pretty chubbed up though. I watched Easy Rider last night. Last time I watched that, I was, I don't know, a teenager and I fell asleep. And man, the first part of the film's like, yeah, man, I want to shove $100 bills into my seat post and just cruise. But did not get so easy for them at the end there. And poor Jack Nicholson. And it's like, man. They were just tan with long hair. They didn't need to get hassled so hard.